Means Woodshop merch is now available. Check the link down in the description.
Pretty good poop, dude.
So that means you're right there with the toilet paper tower.
Yep, and I admired it as per our agreement.
Actually, that's going above and beyond because that was the rule at my house. I admire the one he had going above.
I didn't know you had a toilet paper tower at your house.
Bloody, you broke the rule then. I said you gotta admire the bathroom cabinet.
I admired the bathroom cabinet at your house.
I said in addendum you have to do toilet paper towels right underneath the...
Dude, I thought you were talking about the one here.
Oh well, whatever.
Whatever.
Welcome back to another Wednesday follow-up. Me and the boy are talking about last Friday's toilet paper tower.
It holds toilet paper. A tower of toilet paper.
Thank you very much. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Please subscribe for more fantastic content like this. All of it.
All of the content.
Yeah, that was Harry Gary's idea.
Did we just put him on the payroll, or?
We don't even get paid for...
Yeah, that's not happening, Gary.
Sorry, Gary.
Sorry, Gary.
There was the whole story of Gary building them with his granddad. He wants to know how you didn't notice the toilet paper roll behind the glue bottle.
I've always been bad at noticing things.
I was like, Adam, look around the shop and figure it out. And toilet paper is a pretty benign object. You're gonna notice all the other weird shit in there.
Yeah, I mean, exactly. It's like...
He mentioned living on the sticky side of life again because I did wipe on Polly with no gloves, bub.
You're just a sticky guy.
Yeah, sticky fingers.
Don't stick on my fingers.
The way Gary described his, I can't construct a visual image still. Gary, do you have pictures?
Yeah. Send us pictures, please.
I'll show him. I had a lot of comments about I should put a door on it. Gary.
Yeah.
Gary mentioned put a door, and Kevin. CJ said something about putting a door on it on Facebook.
Yeah, I mean, because otherwise it like sort of makes the shelves up top sort of not purposeful because you just have a whole row of a whole stack of toilet paper going down.
You know, the idea is you got the two on the top shelf that are like right at reach level. And you get those, and then when you use those, you just reach down and fucking, whatever.
Just reach
Adam.
down and grab the toilet paper.
Yeah.
You should make the bottom into like a spring-loaded mechanism. Pull one out and put it, yeah.
Like a magazine.
Kapring! Like a Pez dispenser, my dude.
So, Mary, we didn't hear from Mary on the Japanese Sandies. Cicada shell. She said, sorry I failed to comment on last week's video. The sandals left me speechless. Sorry, Mary.
They leave us with a lot of things.
Yeah, I heard from somebody, DTM006. They liked the project but said they wouldn't put that much effort into working with cupped boards. It wasn't a big deal to me. I didn't care.
You weren't even making cupboards.
Cupped boards.
Yeah, you weren't even making
Damn it,
cupboards.
Adam.
Down to Mount 006.
I want to stick like it. Once the whole thing was assembled and put together, can't really tell.
I mean, it doesn't really even rock that much. I tested it out while I was in there pooping.
JMS, dude, can never have too much easy access to toilet paper. Dude, that's not a lie.
It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it.
Kevin did hashtag raid Area 51. Are we doing that? This means Woodshop down for the Area 51 raid?
I don't have money to go there.
I don't either.
And I'm not some sort of filthy hippie that's just going to hitchhike or whatever. We both have jobs to do and stuff.
Gary, can you fund our trip to Area 51? Cover our funeral costs when we get shot by the military?
Yeah.
Means Woodshop and Means Woodshop fam is going to raid Area 51.
Don't say that. We're not.
I'm going to bring my alien back and he's going to teach me like really like space joinery.
Space joinery? Because aliens, even advanced races, like
do.
still woodwork.
Yeah, they do it just for pleasure.
Just for pleasure. Look at this toilet paper tower I made, flea bop. Isn't that nice, Ziglop?
I did hear from Regina. She said she enjoyed the video, but the music was a little too loud. I haven't been adding music to videos for that long, so I think I'm still working on the learning curve. Getting it just right, and I do it with headphones in, so I should probably do a double check without headphones. So with headphones in, it sounded fine, and then...
It's a challenge, especially when you're working with multiple different mediums of output. And I believe Regina said something about it's really hard to hear you talking whenever the guitars especially kick in, and that's actually because guitars mainly reside in the same mid-range frequencies that beach does, and that's why they overlap a lot.
Adam, put them up.
Put what up?
Whatever you want. Oh no! Oh, whatever. Last Wednesday, we talked about some stuff. Japanese sandies.
No, we were talking about Japanese sandies this time. No, we were talking about
We
toilet
were
paper
talking about
tower
toilet
this time.
paper tower.
It's all starting to blend together.
A lot of people like the puppets. Luke Silverfish liked the puppets.
Yeah, he really likes the puppets.
Gary, I think, seemed to think we were going to do the entire video.
In puppets.
Said puppets doing the follow-up video, yes, and then he said, "Oh, it's just a normal follow-up video."
Doesn't his puppet look like just like grown-up hipster Morty from Rick and Morty?
I should have broke the puppets out. They're in the car. I just didn't feel like grabbing them.
Oh well.
They'll come. They'll be back.
They'll come back. How about the puppets? The puppets are gonna raid Area 51 while we stay home and
just send the puppets USPS.
Do our jobs and tend to our homestead.
Not USPS, because that's division of the government, so they'll apprehend the puppets in transit.
They'll torture them. Oh, dude, look!
Oh, it's a live one. Oh, dude, I saw it next to you, but I thought it was just a shell. Have you ever seen one that's still in the shell?
Yeah, dude.
Look, let's put him on this stick. He can hang out while we do this follow-up. You know, look, it's a cicada before coming out of the shell. It's gonna sit on this stick.
I don't know if is this only like a thing that happens in Texas though. We have a lot of cicadas here in Texas. I don't know if the rest of you do, but we have all these little like cicada pupating shells that are left everywhere, and they're cool. They're kind of like Velcro. You can just grab them and stick them to anything.
Look at it. There he goes. He thinks I'm his mom.
When we were kids, we'd always used to like grab them and freak out girls and like stick them on their shirt. And they'd be like,
I did that at work. Oh no, he fell off.
He lost his grip, dude.
Dude, just stay on the stick. Don't go anywhere. Here, stop. You're in a dangerous place with all these chickens and roosters.
We're gonna feed him to the chickens after this.
Gary said he had an unexpected project this weekend. He said, "What's an ID10? ID10T?"
Are you playing dumb right now? Picture it out in your head, all squished together. Idiot.
Oh, damn it,
Good
that was
job. Me. Some idiot knocked over Gary's mailbox.
Some prick drove into Gary's mailbox.
Very clever talking in code.
Hey, here, Gary posted a picture of it. I'll have it somewhere, probably in between our heads. Hey, look at that. Good job, Gary. Gary, did you use cedar for that? Looks like it to me. Dude, nobody could answer my question about why cedar is rough on one side.
It's a mystery.
It's a mystery. Kevin had said something about like spending an hour on Google and he couldn't find an answer.
Googer?
Google's just like, you bloody want to buy some? That's what Area 51's hiding. They're hiding the secret as to why cedar is milled with one side rough. A lot of people wanted to know what you had to say at the end of that video.
I don't even remember.
I really don't remember either.
It literally was just something totally irrelevant to like everything though.
I don't know. I don't remember what Adam said.
I don't remember what Adam said.
He was avidly avoiding that stick. Why don't you want to walk on the stick, little buddy?
Don't call him little buddy. We're going to feed him to chickens later.
Kevin and Gary still want to see us walk in the Japanese sandals, though.
Maybe one day.
Someday, Kevin says, give the viewers what they want. He says he has some ghost pepper chips we could try.
I don't care. Not doing it.
You don't want to try ghost pepper chips?
Do you?
I don't know. He says like one isn't that bad.
I don't care.
But you start chomping on more, then it gets pretty bad. Everybody across the board prefers their cathedrals going up rather than down. I'm literally the only one. I just like the way they look going down. I just suck, I guess. Yeah, J-Mess wanted to know what you had to say and had no answer for the cedar. I saw a meme that said one of the things people are going to bring back from Area 51 is a toothpaste that 10 out of 10 dentists recommend.
Do you know in Japan they apparently have toothpaste that actually does remineralize?
Did you eat a pickle pop?
Yeah.
You think it'd be good?
They are good.
Oh, whatever.
That's the question?
No.
Would you eat a pickle pop? Viewers out there, would you eat a pickle pop?
I guess it's a question now.
Oh no, we've already done that. Like we've talked about.
Oh yeah, we've talked about
pickles. Pickles.
No, the question I actually had this week. Some of you already know what it is if you follow Means Woodshop on Facebook. Look, Dad broke his measuring tape.
Oh no, now he's having to wrangle it into the trash can like an anaconda, battling it to death.
I'm thinking about doing a new series on this channel. It won't be weekly like these videos and the project videos, just kind of whenever. But anytime one does come out, it'll be on a Monday. Doing a series about spotlighting different wood species. Each wood species gets its own video. I think starting it off easy, like for beginners sort of. Like started off with pine, then moved to something else, like the next most common thing you'd probably pick, which would be like oak or poplar, and then slowly move into like advanced stuff like purple heart or ebony, paduk. So if any of y'all would like me to do that series, let me know. I've got a video about mine already, but oh, there's metal.
Yeah, dude.
I didn't know that. I thought they were plastic. If you liked it and enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Adam, what do thumbs up do for videos?
Nothing if a video doesn't have an anus. No, they help algorithms.
They help YouTube algorithms. Leave a bloody like.
Algorithms make the world go round.
They do. Leave a bloody like. That would help out a lot. Subscribe to this channel. Videos every Wednesday and Friday. Follow-ups like this one every Wednesday, and projects every Friday. So click that notification bell and you won't miss a video. We'll see you next time. We're going to go feed this guy to some chickens.
Dude, we should film it.
I don't know. You think people will be like, that's not nice?
You think our viewers really care?
I don't know.